The challenge today. You will be cooking with the freshest eggs laid right here in Singapore.
Your 60 minutes starts now!
I'm going to cook a dish that I always cook for my wife, Prawn Omelette Roti John. Just doing a sweet chili
with the locally produced egg whites to bind the sauce together.
Inderpal.
I'd have that for breakfast every single morning.
Good dish, man.
Your challenge is... Wall of Greens! Give our Singapore Greens the glory they deserve. It's showtime! Get going!
Johnny boy.
Hey! Today I'm going to prepare something that's very close to my heart, something I eat at home with the kids.
Okay.
So the dish I'm preparing today is called Chilli Lemak Udang, which is basically a prawn curry. I've also created crispy Kailan, which is something my kids love to eat.
Jonathan, come on down.
I've used the prawn heads also in the rempah.
I can only say that I'm envious of your wife and kids. If this is what they get to eat at home, I want to crash your house dinner one day, because that is wonderful.
Thank you very much.